What up everyone? I hope everyone's doing well. I just brushed my teeth and I started my 72-hour fast. I started at 1 a.m. on Saturday. My last meal includes walnuts, 30 almonds. I had 3 chicken breasts, and then on top of that I had a burrito with a bunch of stuff in it, and then I also had dark chocolate as kind of like dessert, and that was my last meal. So let's see how this fast goes. It's for 72 hours. It's gonna end at 1 a.m. on Tuesday, and I'm just gonna document my journey on how I'm feeling. Do I have more mental clarity? Are the benefits real from the research I looked at, and also the experiences that my friends and family have had with the 72-hour fast? So yeah, enjoy the journey. It's gonna be something else because I have a lot of commitments this weekend. I do have a lot of basketball commitments and also working out commitments. Luckily, I'm off of work this weekend, so that'll help a lot. So yeah, let's just see how this goes. I'll document the whole journey, how I'm feeling, what I'm taking. So I will be taking electrolytes. I will be taking these LMNTs. I'll show the ingredients later in the video as well, and also BioSteel electrolytes. The LMNTs have about 10 calories, and I think the BioSteel has 5 calories. So I'm limiting the total amount of calories per day under 50. Although I know it's technically not a full-on fast, and I'm breaking the fast just from consuming any calories, but just because it's under 50, I think I'm okay, and I'll still receive most of the benefits. So let's see how this 3-day fast goes, and yeah, I'll see you later. What up everyone? Just an update. So this is the first morning after waking up from the fast, and all I'm having is some black coffee, and then I got my water bottle right there, and right beside my water bottle I got some BioSteel electrolytes. So after playing basketball, I'll probably take these. These are the nutrients. It's only 5 calories. Sodium about 140, potassium 30, and then carbs like 1, but there's no sugar or anything like that. And then there's magnesium, zinc, and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the supplement that I'm taking right now for any type of electrolyte imbalances I could get from the fast. So yeah, in terms of feelings, the not having breakfast actually feels a lot better than having breakfast in the morning. I feel like more clear in my mind. It doesn't feel like any brain fog or anything like that. So I guess maybe no breakfast in the morning is a good thing. So yeah, I'll continue updating you with the journey. So yeah, let's get it. What up everyone? So just finished playing basketball. It's 7:30 now, and yeah, so played a total of 3.5 hours of basketball today, and the energy levels actually aren't that low. The body feels a little bit tired, but the mind is really active. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. We're almost hitting that 24-hour mark, so I'll keep you posted about that. I'm gonna have another electrolyte. It's called LMNT, and I'll send a picture of that as well. So let's get it. What up everyone? So I just finished my basketball session, and I'm about to finally have these BioSteel electrolytes. And yeah, I actually didn't find it too bad. I feel great still. There's no issues like where I'm hungry or anything like that, or I'm feeling like kind of low or irritable or moody, like not having food. It actually feels pretty good, so I'll continue updating you. See you soon. I'm gonna be getting some black coffee with my boys and catch up with my high school teacher, and then we'll go from there. What up everyone? I hope everyone's doing well. I'm about 18 hours into my fast now, and I can't really complain. I don't think it's been that bad. I was able to play basketball in the morning and also in the evening just now, and energy levels are fine. I do feel a little hungry now, but it was okay throughout the day. My mind feels clear though. I can't complain there. And yeah, I think what I was told is that nighttime is going to be hard, so going to sleep hungry. So let's see how that goes. I did get my second drink of electrolytes, and yeah, I'll keep you updated with how the fast goes. So I'm officially 60 hours into the fast, and yesterday at about 40 hours I played basketball for an hour, and then I did a 40-minute workout, and they were fine. Honestly, I thought I would like probably collapse at basketball, but it ended up being fine. I still had decent amount of energy. My mind was good. Body did feel a little bit weaker for the workouts, so I only did 3 sets. However, I was still able to push the same amount of weight, so it wasn't too bad in terms of that as well. Later at night, like, I was good. I didn't feel hungry last night, So it was actually really good. I slept good. I slept about 9 hours, and it was deep sleep, so there's no complaining there. I woke up not feeling hungry, and I woke up not like craving food either. I feel like it just became like a new norm of mine, like not having food. And yeah, it was pretty good, and now I feel really good as well. There's no issues, but I am excited to eat at about 72 hours. So we're only 12 hours out, and then I'm gonna eat like a king. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. See you in a bit. What up, everyone? So I finally completed my 72-hour fast yesterday at 1 a.m. And right after that, I ended up eating, what did I eat first? I ate toast, protein shake, and a protein bar. And then right after that, my fiance also brought me croissant. So it was an almond croissant. I devoured that. And then I ended up eating some sushi and a McFlurry, the new Biscoff McFlurry. And it was amazing. Luckily, I had no gut issues after. I've heard that after the 3-day fast that if you eat too quickly and too much food, you can end up having diarrhea. But luckily I had none of that. So I don't know what it was, but it worked out for me. This morning I'm back at my regular schedule, and like I do feel bloated from yesterday just from eating all that, but I still feel so good in terms of my skin and just mental clarity. And yeah, it's just different. It's a different feeling. It feels like a new me kind of came out of this fast. So yeah, there's a lot of science behind fasting as well. So basically what ends up happening is the first 12 hours, what happens is your glucose that you've eaten, like carbs, etc., that just gets depleted. And then right after that, from 12 to about 24 hours, this is when your body starts utilizing your glycogen stores, which is in your muscles and your liver, and it starts breaking down those glycogen compounds. Like it just breaks that down and starts using that as energy. And then right after the 24-hour mark is where you'll start utilizing fat for energy. So your glycogen stores are depleted. That's when your muscles and stuff will look a lot smaller, but don't worry, your muscles are still there. And yeah, you start utilizing ketones. You produce ketones from the fat now, and these ketones, instead of your brain using glucose, now it uses ketones for energy as well. And yeah, that's kind of how you burn like fat as well during a fast. During this time, it's also very important to recognize that autophagy starts. So any damaged or old tissue that cells that are not needed, they just get removed by your white blood cells, and they just get broken down and released from your body. So this allows for new immune cells to form as well in the 48 to 72 hour window. So it's pretty cool. And the best part about a fast is that you also have the increase in growth hormone in the 24 plus hours. So basically what that means is like your body's so good at preserving muscle that it releases extra growth hormone just to preserve that muscle. So you might think like, oh, I'm gonna be losing muscle, but you're not. And also, even if you do have muscle memory. So right after, right when you start working out again and doing all your good habits, you'll gain it back. So it's not a big deal. So in terms of like what I was taking during the fast, electrolytes are very, very important, especially after the 36-hour window, I would say, just because I can see if you're working out regularly or doing any type of exercise, I can see your electrolytes being off, and electrolytes are extremely important for your heart and also your brain. So you need your electrolytes, and the electrolyte imbalance is one of the biggest issues with fasting as well, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. If you have diabetes, if you have any cardiac issues, it's very important to talk to your doctor before doing any type of fast. So yeah, for me, I took LMNTs like I showed earlier, and then BioSteel as well, and these were beautiful. The first day I ended up drinking 2 of them, and I did have like a weird taste in my mouth from the electrolytes, so then I left it to just once a day, and that was always post-workout, not before. I also continued my creatine just because like I felt like I needed any type of extra energy I need it, so I took creatine. And yeah, that's about it. In terms of no, I didn't take any vitamins, no, nothing else. Oh, black coffee. So these were like the 3 main things I did, and I just kept drinking lots and lots of water. I have this big water bottle, as you might have seen in my when I was in the car. I'm just holding it all the time just because I wanted to stay hydrated the whole time. The coolest thing that I noticed from the fast was one of the things was like it felt like a new reality. It felt like I was in my own world, and I was in the moment more. So I thought that was pretty cool. I did feel very, very hungry the first 24 hours, but I think after you sleep and wake up the next day, you're usually solid. I had like, my stomach felt very empty, but it didn't feel hungry or anything. And a bonus of this is like your skin gets beautiful. Like my skin yesterday was just unreal. Like I've never seen my skin that good. And I wasn't even doing anything different with my skincare routine. So I guess like your skin gets really good with this as well. And a bonus from fasting is that you actually end up losing weight. So I went from 73.5 kilograms to 71.1. So that's about 2.4 kilograms. So I lost more than 5 pounds. Obviously, this includes the glycogen stores, and then I want to believe that it includes a lot of fat as well. So yeah, you end up losing weight. I have a before and after picture as well. You can see how much depleted I am in the after picture. It's not drastic, but it is a big difference from what I saw. Even my face felt like it was like all the bloating is just gone. So that was my 72-hour fast journey, and I hope you liked that video. And if you like it, please like the video and also share it with other friends and family that want to do a 72-hour fast. You can always start with just a 24-hour one and then work your way up. I just wanted to try the 72-hour ones because I always do intermittent fasting anyways, about 16 hours. So yeah, let's continue to grow together, and I'll see you in the next video.